Welcome to my CMIT 454 CCNA Security version 2. Welcome to week 2. Just like the previous week, we have two chapters of reading, chapter 3 and chapter 4. Chapter 3 is about AAA, authentication, authorization, and accounting. So we're going to get into the CLI and kind of to seeing how the AAA actually affects the Cisco device. Chapter 4 is about implementing firewall technologies. That's actually a really good chapter. It's really detailed. A lot of material there that can actually be expanded on a great deal. So I will be posting recordings of those chapters as well. Moving on, activities. We have 3 discussions this week. We have AAA, we have TACACS plus Radius, we have access control lists and firewalls. The Acls and firewall discussion should be a pretty good one. So, according to the syllabus, I need you guys to post at least a main response, the 2 of the 3 discussions, and I'm still looking for 2 to 4 peer responses. Moving past that, we have 2 labs this week. We have the Packet Tracer Labs 3612, configuring AAA authentication on a Cisco router. Also, we have 41110, configuring extended Acls. We're going to go through the first scenario. We should have 2 chapters this week, as long as there are no known issues dealing with chapter exams. So with that, make sure to pay attention to the announcements just in case. If you are familiar with this chapter material, this are going to be additional labs which we're exploring on later weeks. If you want to get started on these, you can, because these are all chapter labs dealing with what you're learning in chapter 4, but again, we're working with other chapters for these labs. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out. I posted my email and cell phone number, and I look forward to working with you guys this week. Thank you, and we'll see you in the discussions. Thanks.